What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Pree, and I'm back with another video. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. As you can read from the title, we're doing another story time. You know what I'm saying? Another story time. Senior skip day, your boy went to Ely and almost got arrested. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna tell y'all a little bit how that went and how we got to that point. Good thing though, we ain't getting arrested. So if you like this story, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Go watch my last story when I was talking about high school fights and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? So let's get right into it. I don't even remember the story like fully, to be honest. I don't remember the story fully, but okay, so boom, senior skip day. Go to the beach and just vibe out and have fun with your classmates, you know what I'm saying? So, but my senior skip day, I was planning on going to the beach, but one of my homeboys hit me up and he was like, yo, slide to Ely. And he gonna slide the creek. You know, around senior skip day, that's when you're doing your testing. It's towards the end of the school year. So that's when you're doing your final test for your classes. So you know, once you finish your test them, you can go home. You're basically free for the rest of the day. So boom, finished my test. We went over to Ely. So the first time I went to Ely, I went to Ely back to back. So it was the day before senior skip day is the first time I went to Ely, right? Boom, went to Ely. It was me, C4, on my dog from Ely. Can't remember my name right now. Pull up to Ely, you know what I'm saying? We had to jump the gate. So we jumped the gate. We started walking around and shit. I was walking around and then like, there's this one girl like, oh, hi, Pree. It's me from a distance. She's like, oh, hi, Pree. And I'm like, yo, bro, what you get like this? So I just weird, it's me and continue because I couldn't see, like I said, it was a distance. I didn't know who it was, but just hear my name and I was like, yo, continue moving. You know? So boom, we were walking around the school, you know what I'm saying, checking out the place, you know what I'm saying, seeing different people. Then we had went into a classroom and like vibed out until the bell rang again for everybody to change class. And then after that we were just like outside vibing with everybody, you know what I'm saying? We were just chilling with our dogs and his friends like at the school and just like looking at like people from Ely and like, damn, this shit is huge. Like this shit is big as fuck compared to Creek. Anyways, basically we had fun, you know what I'm saying? Me, C4, we had fun. You know me? So the next day now, actual senior skip day, was like, yo, we gotta go back to Ely, you know what I'm saying? Cause that shit was lit. Be a girl. You see me? So like, yo, I forgot I got Ely, you see me? All right, boom. So now I'm like, yo, dog, link up everybody, you see me? Ooh, Puck, Spinners, C4, CM Dog, and I think somebody else came with us, right? Somebody else goes. So it's like, now it's like 5 of us that went. Boom, pull up to Ely again, you know what I'm saying? This time we jumped the fence again. Same fence, got onto the school campus. You see me? This time though, I jumped the fence, right? As soon as we jumped the fence, we woke up and now I got not really tell a full story still, you know, but brother, as I jump the fence and land on the ground, brother, and turn around, and the girl let me look right in my face. You see me? So she's like, oh, I know you. I'm like, you know me? I mean, I know you. Watch it, Frank. Come tell me where you can't be, they know you. You see me? Move, so I step off, you see me? So we have one B where go to school, so you go over there to go check her, you see me? So man, be there on the school and we walk around and things and shit, show me different places and you know, we're there talking and chill and shit like that. Then the bell ring, and everybody basically link back up again. You see me? So when everybody link up again now, like, I remember the first time we never really go everywhere. Like we never go in the cafeteria, we never really go in the cage with them. If you were to go to Ely, you know the cage. You know what I'm saying? We never go there. So boom, we linked back up and it was like, yo, we could go in the cafeteria, let's go see the cage. Cause I always hear people talking about the cage. I'm like, all right, bet, let's go see the cage. We go in the cafeteria 5 deep walking the cafeteria. Cafeteria packed, right? Cafeteria packed. We walk in that bit.
Pussy in here, man, I knock on the door.
Man, the video right now. Yo, DJ Danger, I mess up with video right now. Watcha, Shay baby, watcha.
Shay baby on it. Shay, you in the video? You in the video? Say yo, gang gang. Gang gang.
Anyways, right? As I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted. So, while I was walking that cafeteria 5 deep, is it me? So now just imagine five niggas walking in the cafeteria, right? We don't know nobody except for the one person that goes to the school. Like we don't know where to sit, you know what I'm saying? Everybody just doing their own thing, you know what I'm saying? Regular. So boom, we fucking see like an empty table in front of us, isn't it? So once we see an empty table in front of us, it was like, yo, make we go sit down there, isn't it? But before we did that, right? Before we did that, my dog C4 was like, yo, make a join the lunch line and try to use our lunch number from Creek to see if it work in Ely, isn't it? So I looked at him like he was stupid, like they go shot him 2 years, like, brother, we ain't really, I said to me right now, isn't it? But at the time, now that I'm thinking about it, I should have did it, because if I would have did that, I wouldn't have got caught up, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, so isn't me? I'm like, bro, what you talking about, bro? You know, nearly shot him 2 boxes, isn't me? Foolishness in my talk right now. Anyways, so we see table, empty table, isn't me? And we was like, yo, make us go, well, I see this one, kind of blend in with the crowd, isn't me? So we go hold the seat. They are bill on security, like 2 tables down, see us, and they come over. He come over, he's like, yeah. He looking around at the table at everybody, you know what I'm saying? He's like, yeah, I don't know none of y'all. I ain't never seen none of y'all faces before. Where y'all coming from? Like, who, you know what I'm saying? What y'all doing here? So, my homeboy that go to the school, he already told us like a teacher name to say, like, yo, you know, we got her class, we just had lunch right now or whatever. You know what I'm saying? We tried it, it didn't work. Nah, I don't know y'all, I ain't never seen y'all before. And then he saw my homeboy that goes to the school and he know him low key. Right, so he's like, bro, you know you can't be doing this, blah, 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 right? So boom, he called the police officer. He's like, yo, take out everything out your pockets. You know what I'm saying? Take out everything out your pockets, put it on the table. Mind you, I got trees on me. Yeah. So boom, I'm gonna take out everything on top of my pocket except the trees. And then I put it on the table, phone, probably my wallet, my key, whatever else may have in my pocket. And then I put it on the table, boom. He basically take everybody's phone, and hold it, you know what I'm saying? He's like, all right, bet, we gonna wait for the police officer to get here. He basically like, yo, if y'all got anything else on y'all that y'all not supposed to have, you know what I'm saying, make sure you get rid of it. So, you know, then I'm already on point, I'm already on P, boom. Same time, police officer walk in, and he taking our names, he asking us the same questions, why we here, what we doing, you know what I'm saying, where we come from, and all that extra shit, right? So then he's like, all right, bet, all y'all get up and walk straight out to that door right there and go straight into my office, right? Man, now at this point, from the security officer already walked over to our table and he telling us to take out everything out of our pockets and everything. We already hot in the cafeteria. You know what I'm saying? All eyes is on us right now. You know what I'm saying? So while we was waiting for the police officer to get there, there was a table behind us, and like Ely chairs, their lunch tables, the chairs, you could spin around on them shits like you at the fucking mall cafeteria, you know what I'm saying? So boom, I hear a girl behind me. She's like, oh, y'all going to jail. I'm like, who? I spun around real quick. I'm like, who going to jail? You know what I'm saying? She's like, y'all going to jail. I'm like, nah, that's dead. I ain't going to jail. You know what I'm saying? So she's like, oh, what y'all came here for? You know what I'm saying? I'm like, ain't gonna lie, to be honest, we really came for y'all. Like, you know, females not type shit, you know what I'm saying? But all that shit's dead now. Like, all that shit dead now, right? So, you know, they start laughing and shit like that, right? And then one of the little, like, ugly friends try to say something, get her little 2 cents in, and I think I had to spun back around. Went back to the table. Fast forward back to police officer came. He told us to walk out to the outside the cafeteria straight into the office. I'm the first nigga up. You know what I'm saying? I'm the first nigga up. The table right here, the door way over here. You know what I'm saying? Like he's telling us to walk over. You know what I mean? I'm the first nigga up from the table and I'm already in the middle of the cafeteria, fam. I'm already in the middle of the cafeteria, fam. I ain't wasting no time, fam. Cause he's waiting on, you know, he's standing there waiting on everybody to get up and walk in a single file line. No, that's that. I had him out of there. Cause in my head, I'm like, yo, as soon as I hit that door, as soon as I hit that cafeteria door, I'm out, I'm booking it. You know what I'm saying? I'm booking it. Cause at this point, I'm like, yo, cuz we getting roped. It's over with. So I'm like, yo, I'm out. Cuz I'm talking about, at this point, everybody looking at us, right? So boom, I'm walking through the middle of the cafeteria, everybody just staring at us like, ooh, they going to jail, they in trouble, da. So I'm like, man, I hit that door. I hit the door cut and I look left. Oh shit, my dumb ass, that's my right. I look left, and I look right? And then I check my pockets. I'm like, damn, I don't got my phone. So basically, you know what I'm saying, I got rid of the trees and I walked into the office because I would have booked it, but they had my phone. I need my phone. All right. So we get into the office now. Everybody get into the office. He's sitting around his desk or whatever. He starts calling the principal at Creek. You know what I'm saying? Let him know that he got 5 students, senior students, trespassing at his school. You know what I'm saying? We supposed to be graduating and we trespassing at Ely. So meanwhile, in the midst of that, like everybody, you know, one by one, he taking everybody information. Meanwhile, he doing that. Another security officer out of nowhere comes in, drops the weed on the table. Like, bruh, where did you come from? Who is you? So, you know what I'm saying? I'm cooling it. I'm, you know what I'm saying? I ain't saying nothing. I look, boom, weed hit on the table, like, whoa. Oh, you find that, brother? Is it me? The principal or the police officer, man, he's like, so what is this? Is it me? It was like, what do you mean, what is this? He's like, yeah, one of them dropped it. He's like, oh, okay, so y'all came on the school campus to sell trees and this and that. And we was like, nah, sell trees, nah, kid, nah, we was finna smoke that. You know what I mean? Like after we leave here and go to the beach, cause we were planning on going to the beach. It's senior skip day. Like, you know what I mean? We just came here real quick, and then you know then we go to the beach, go have some fun type shit, right? So he's like, oh yeah, this was like a $80 worth of weed. I'm like, $80? Nah, you tweaking, man. That's like a 10 right there. That's like a dud the most. You know what I'm saying? That like basically. I was trying to get the trees back. Nigga ain't want to give us the trees back, obviously. They kept the trees, they didn't throw it away, they kept it. And I know they smoked it. Called the principal of the school, let him know that it was trespassing. And some of us still got to walk the stage, but we had to do like extra work. Cause basically I had to put the books, like the textbooks back into the storage room so I can walk the stage. Like I was still gonna graduate, but my mom wanted me to walk the stage. And she like begged the principal, like, what can I do for me to walk the stage? And that's basically what I had to do. I had to put back the textbooks in the storage rooms. And yeah, that was basically it, you know what I'm saying? That's the story right there. I almost went to jail for trespassing at Ely. You know what I'm saying? I kind of left out a lot of stuff, you know what I'm saying? But I ain't gonna put that business out there like that, you know what I'm saying? But like, I mean, you go there for more than just for God Ely, isn't it? There was more reasons and purposes why we got Ely, you see me? So, what do you think is happening, brother? What do you think is happening, man? We can't really too talk about right now. You see me? But, yeah, man, if you like this video, drop a comment, share it, hit that subscribe button if you're new and it's your first time watching. You know what I'm saying? And hit that like button, man. I need 200 likes on this video. 200. 200. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Pree, and I'm out.